Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example, through the dialer. It's up to you. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. Then let's tap on this pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo signed. So all we have to do is to tap on Add Picture or simply the circle. And here we've got three different sections where we can choose a picture. The device photos, which is divided into the camera and the gallery. After tapping on the camera, your device will open the camera app. So you'll be able to take a photo of the person who's right in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery. You can enter Google Photos, so those which are backed up, and the illustrations, so those graphics are online and free of charge. And to be honest, I highly recommend to check those options, especially in the situation where you do not have the photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact for. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something interesting here and suitable. But let me choose something from the gallery. Let me find the photo, tap on it. And here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area, this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So just tap on choose, and as you can see, the photo will be immediately applied. So if you're happy with the results, tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.